Magandang hapon po ng May 31, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 31, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ng para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, May 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ng para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 31, 2025, Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, May 31, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 31, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.